I'm Angela with Angela Wolf Video with a quick checklist of things you want to look at before you join that next Zoom meeting. First things first are going to be your video settings. Make sure they are all up to snuff and are set to the correct parameters. Next, we want to take a look at the lighting in your video. Make sure you are well lit and easy to see. Next, the background. We want to make sure the background is not distracting. It doesn't have anything like dirty dishes or a big mess behind you that's going to distract your audience from just looking at you. Next, we want to make sure your audio is working well. So be sure to test that audio and if possible, use a headset that has a built-in microphone. Now, how do we look through all of these settings and what are the best ways to fix these settings? Well, I'm going to be posting this week a bunch of tips for each one, and they're going to be really quick and easy to do, something you can do without any gear at all. Like I'm filming this on my phone to just kind of show you that it's simple tricks like this that can make your Zoom calls just a little bit nicer. So be sure to follow Angela Wolf Video on social to get my tips and tricks for Zoom calls.